So, hypothesis testing contains some important formal concepts. The first one is, what is hypothesis testing? It's evaluating a claim made about a population parameter based on sample evidence and a probability. Secondly, what is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is a statement regarding a characteristic parameter of one or more populations. It's very important to emphasize the word statement. It's not a question, it's an assertion. The null hypothesis, or H naught. It's a statement that a parameter is equal to a specific value, H naught equals X, or that the parameter of two populations is equal. For instance, here we say the first null hypothesis is that the population mean is equal to 4. The second null hypothesis is that the proportion for one population is the same as the proportion for another population. So for example, in a fast food restaurant, we could say that the mean time, where our hypothesis is that the mean time to fill an order is 4 minutes. Or we could say that, set a hypothesis that the proportion of orders that are correctly completed is the same for drive-through or seated customers. So they both get, say, 90% of orders are correctly filled in both cases. So that's two populations being equal. For every null hypothesis, there is an alternate or alternative hypothesis H1. And this is the statement paired with the null hypothesis that is mutually exclusive. So if the null hypothesis was that the mean was equal to 4, the H1 alternative process is that the mean is not equal to H4. The second null hypothesis is that the proportion of one population is not equal to the proportion of another population.